Hey people, welcome to day 25 of the salads. Hope you're enjoying the series. I hope you're looking forward to this episode. One problem, today is not day 25 at all. It is like 20 days past day 25. I am editing day 25 today, and I'm having, I think, a problem that many videographers have had in the past is that I've lost half of my footage, and it's the footage that's on this camera, which is the good footage, and I have one other side camera view of me making this whole chicken and stuff. So I'm going to carry on editing this video. I'm going to put this little piece in. I hope you don't mind. I do apologize. You will get one of these days a full roasted chicken video with me talking through how I make a roasted chicken, because it is the easiest, most basic, most beautiful thing to do and get right. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't unsubscribe. Please don't dislike, and I'll see you soon. Cheers. Okay, and we're back. So it actually took definitely less than an hour and a half, as you can see by the light. But the internal temperature was exactly where it needed to be, again on the bottom of the screen, right over here. So I've let the chicken rest for a little bit. I'm going to chop it up. If you want to see me doing a video on chopping up a chicken, I will show you, so just put that in the comments below. But it's basically, you're going to take off the legs, take off the wings, go through the breasts. What I like to do is I like to make sure I do it in some sort of a plate or a bowl or something, so at the end of it, all of the moisture, all of the juices that's coming out of the chicken can just basically go back into the meat. That's going to be ready then. We've got the rest of the veg, like basically there's a lot of moisture that was coming off the veg, so the rest of that veg is basically sitting in the oven now, full temperature. Get that moisture off there, get that nice and crispy, and then we have a salad, and I'm starving, so I'm gonna eat it.